Okay, so we were having starting problems with this quad, and I think we've got to the bottom of it. We found the valves were adjusted too tight. There was no lash. So we adjusted the valves, and we're going to do a cold start on it. This is the second cold start we've done. Before we'd have to crank and crank and crank and crank and crank and crank. And you've probably seen some of our other videos of cranking on this thing. So let's give it a try. I haven't done anything. I haven't pre-started it. I'm just going to set the choke, turn the key on, and I'm not even going to mess with the throttle. Let's see what happens. Here we go. It's never started that good. Now, Polaris calls for 2000s clearance on the exhaust and intake. I actually set them at 3000s because I didn't have a 2000s feeler gauge. I figured just a hair on the loose side would be better than too tight. Anyway, we're idling much better now, starting much easier, and hoping we can get some enjoyment out of this quad. It's been problematic from day one. We've had it since 2012. Yeah, never had any trouble with our Hondas, you know, other than routine things, normal things, wear and tear, but this one's been a problem. Not very reliable, but I think we've got it nailed now, so we'll see. Anyway, that's it.